Listen carefully, students. Today I am going to discuss two facts with you related our country, India. India is only a single country which has two types of desert. One is a hot desert, second is a cold desert. Cold desert is located in Nubra Valley, Ladakh. So can you tell me where, in which state India located the hot desert? Yes? Very good. Clap for us. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today we will do a math activity and we will learn to do division by this activity. So for this activity we need some sticks and disposable glasses, a big glass, and I have 8 small glasses. You can take so many glasses if you want. First we have to divide 28 by 7. So first we will take 28 sticks and we will put these in a big glass. So we have to divide with 7. Then we will take 7 sticks from here and we will put these sticks in first glass, number 1. Then take 7 again, put in number 2. Then take 7, put 3. Then take 7, put 4. So here are no sticks in this glass. So answer is 4. When we divide 28 with number 7, answer is 4.
Today I would like to share my views on the topic embracing change in the life. Embracing change is very important in the life. Embracing means accepting the change around us. Embracing means seeking for the opportunities with a positive attitude and open-mindedness. Thank you. Have a nice day.